Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You must act in the first second. Sprawl hard and lower your hips to block their angle. Keep your head up and chest forward so weight transfers from your knees to your hips. This kills their drive. Grab their lead wrist and thumb to peel away hand control, and use your free hand to secure a near side underhook. Once done, step your outside leg back and wide to widen your base and prevent their finish. Once sprawled, maintain pressure. Drive your forearm across their face, cross-face, while keeping hips heavy to flatten them. You want an underhook to turn their torso. Weave your arm under their armpit and lift to break their posture. Make sure your heels are down and legs are ready to repost. If they latch legs, pummel your hands inside to clear them. As you create space, push your chest forward and slide a knee to the sprawl side. You finish by converting position into a safe posture. Use the underhook to walk your hips away while posting on the near hand, then stand or circle to your base. If they keep a grip on your leg, hip escape and re-guard. Hip out, post, and pull the trapped leg free while hand-fighting the grips. If things go wrong and they cling to legs, prioritize peeling their grips first, then reapply the sprawl and reset distance to prevent repeated shots.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.